us guidance, hearts set free. In the moonlit night, whispers in air, a message divine answered every prayer. With wisdom and love, taught us to be a beacon of hope eternally. O prophet of Allah, shining so bright, your words of wisdom, a guiding light. Forever cherished in our hearts you stay. O prophet of Allah, show us the way. Show us the way. Stars in the night, reflecting your love, pure and light. With every step we follow thee, the path of righteousness, let it be. From east to west, your name does glow, a tale of faith that all shall know. Trials and peace, steadfast and true. O prophet beloved, we are with you. O prophet of Allah, shining so bright, your words of wisdom, a guiding light. Forever cherished in our hearts you stay. O prophet of Allah, show us the way. Show us the way. Prophet of Allah, shining so bright, your words of wisdom, a guiding light. Forever cherished in our hearts you stay. O prophet of Allah, show us the way. O prophet of Allah, shining so bright, your words of wisdom, a guiding light. Forever cherished in our hearts you stay. O prophet of Allah, show us the way. Show us the way. Show us the way.